Let me ask you something. When you buy a car, what do you really want? Not the shiny paint, not the fancy screen, not the 0 to 60 time. Deep down, you want a car that just keeps going. One that doesn't leave you stranded on the side of the road at midnight. One that doesn't cost you more in repairs than it's worth. One that you can hand down to your kid or sell in 10 years and still feel good about it. In 2026, most people chase horsepower, tech, or the latest badge. But the smart ones, the people who've owned cars for 20 or 30 years, chase something else. They chase cars that quietly reach 300,000 miles and keep running strong. Today, I'm showing you 6 cars that are doing exactly that. These are not guesses or hype. These are cars with real owners hitting 300,000 miles, 400,000 miles, sometimes even 500,000 on original engines and transmissions. I pulled these from forums, high-mileage owner groups, mechanic shops, and real service records. No marketing fluff, just proof. We're going to look at each one, why it lasts, what owners say after 10 or 15 years, and the simple things you must do to get there too. Let's start with number 6 and work our way up. Number 6, the Honda Accord, 2018 to 2025, 2.0 turbo or 2.5 non-turbo. This is the quiet king of longevity. You can find clean examples right now for $18,000 to $28,000 with 60,000 to 120,000 miles. The 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine is one of the most bulletproof 4-cylinders ever made. It has a timing chain, not a belt, so no expensive replacement at 100,000 miles. The direct injection system has very little carbon buildup compared to competitors. The CVT in these years is tuned conservatively and lasts when you change the fluid every 40,000 miles. Owners are hitting 350,000 to 450,000 miles with original engines all the time. One Accord owner with 380,000 miles wrote, "Just oil changes, brakes, tires, one water pump at 220,000, still gets 38 miles per gallon highway." The secret is boring maintenance. Oil every 5,000 miles with the right spec, CVT fluid every 40,000, and don't ignore small leaks. If you want a car that disappears into the background and just works, this is it. Number 5, the Toyota Camry, 2018 to 2025, 2.5-liter 4-cylinder. This car is almost boring, and that's why it wins. Used prices are $20,000 to $30,000 for 60,000 to 120,000 mile examples. The 2.5-liter engine is a legend. It's naturally aspirated, has a timing chain, and Toyota designed it to run forever on basic care. The 8-speed automatic is smooth and reliable when fluid is changed every 60,000 miles. Rust is almost non-existent unless you live in the Salt Belt and never wash underneath. Camry owners are posting 300,000 to 500,000 mile examples weekly. A mechanic who owns one with 420,000 miles said, "I've replaced the alternator once, water pump once, and that's it. Engine is still tight. Transmission shifts like new." The trick is simple. Oil every 5,000 to 7,000 miles, transmission fluid every 60,000, and don't skip coolant flushes. It's not exciting, but it will outlast almost anything else on the road. Number 4, the Toyota Tacoma, 2016 to 2025, 3rd generation. If you want a truck that lasts, this is the one. Used prices are $28,000 to $40,000 for 80,000 to 150,000 mile examples. The 3.5-liter V6 is tough. It has a timing chain and very few reported failures, even at high mileage. The 6-speed automatic is proven and lasts when serviced. The frame is treated against rust better than most competitors. Tacoma owners are famous for 300,000 to 600,000 mile trucks that still pull trailers and go off-road. One owner with 480,000 miles posted, Original engine, original transmission, original clutch on the manual version. Just regular maintenance and love. The key is keeping up with oil changes, differential fluid, and transfer case fluid if you use four-wheel drive. If you need a truck that will be with you for 20 years, this is the safest bet. Number 3. The Honda CR-V, 2017 to 2025, 5th generation. This is the crossover that quietly dominates high mileage lists. Used prices are $22,000 to $32,000 for 60,000 to 120,000 mile examples. The 1.5 turbo engine is surprisingly durable when oil is changed every 5,000 miles. The CVT is one of the best tuned on the market and lasts when fluid is serviced every 40,000 miles. Rust is rare, interior holds up, and the ride stays comfortable even at high miles. CR-V owners are hitting 350,000 to 450,000 miles all the time. One person with 390,000 miles wrote, "Original everything except brakes and tires. Still gets 34 miles per gallon. Best car I've ever owned." The secret is boring maintenance. Oil, CVT fluid, coolant, and spark plugs at the right intervals. If you want a crossover that disappears from your mind because it never breaks, this is it. Number 2. The Toyota RAV4, 2017 to 2025, 5th generation, hybrid or non-hybrid. This is the crossover that quietly dominates long life lists. Used prices are $25,000 to $35,000 for 60,000 to 120,000 mile examples. The 2.5-liter engine is naturally aspirated in base models or paired with hybrid tech that's proven durable. The hybrid battery packs are lasting well beyond 150,000 miles, and Toyota's warranty covers them up to 10 years or 150,000 miles anyway. The 8-speed automatic, or eCVT, is smooth and reliable when fluid is changed every 60,000 miles. Rust resistance is excellent, and the interior holds up without cracking or fading. RAV4 owners are posting 350,000 to 500,000 mile examples regularly. One hybrid owner with 410,000 miles shared, "Original hybrid batteries still at 88% health. Just tires, brakes, oil, and one catalytic converter at 320,000. Still gets 40 miles per gallon." The key is consistent care. Oil every 5,000 to 7,000 miles, transmission fluid every 60,000, and keep the cooling system fresh. If you want a crossover that you can forget about because it never complains, this is the one. Number 1. The Toyota Prius, 2016 to 2025, 4th generation. This is the undisputed champion of high mileage reliability. Used prices are $18,000 to $28,000 for 80,000 to 150,000 mile examples. The 1.8-liter hybrid system is legendary. It has a timing chain, no turbo, and the electric motors rarely fail. The hybrid battery in these years routinely lasts 250,000 to 400,000 miles, and replacements are cheaper than gas car engines. The CVT is one of the most durable ever made when fluid is changed every 60,000 miles. Rust is minimal, interior plastics hold up, and fuel economy stays in the 50s even at high miles. Prius owners are everywhere with 300,000 to 600,000 mile cars. A taxi driver with 580,000 miles wrote, "Original hybrid battery replaced at 420,000 under extended warranty. Engine still perfect. Brakes last forever because of regen. I've made more money with this car than any other." The secret is boring. Oil every 10,000 miles with the right spec, hybrid battery cooling fan cleaned every 50,000 miles, and don't ignore coolant or brake fluid changes. If you want a car that laughs at 300,000 miles, the Prius is still the king. So, there you have it. 6 cars that are quietly proving they can go 300,000 miles or more without turning into money pits. These are not flashy or exciting. They're not the ones you see influencers driving, but they are the ones real people. Mechanics, families, taxi drivers, commuters are still driving long after the warranty ends. The common thread is simple. They use proven engines with timing chains, conservative transmissions, and designs that avoid unnecessary complexity. They reward basic maintenance, oil changes on time, fluid services when due, and addressing small issues before they become big ones. If you're shopping for a car you want to keep for 10 or 15 years, start with these. Check service history. Get a pre-purchase inspection. And commit to the maintenance schedule. Which one surprised you the most? Have you owned any of these and hit high miles? Or is there a car you think should be on this list? Drop your stories in the comments below. I read every one and reply when I can. If this helped you think differently about what makes a car last, give it a quick like. It really helps more people see it. And if you want more honest lists like this, proven cars, real owner experiences, no hype, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Next week, we're diving into the 6 trucks that are quietly reaching 500,000 miles. Thank you for watching. Drive safe, take care of your car, and I'll see you in the next one.